Hey, if you want to zoom in your screen on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start in the taskbar, then go to the Settings, and next we'll have to go into the Accessibility. And as you can see from here, all you have to do is just to click on the magnifier. And now to zoom in or zoom out, you will have to click and hold the Windows button on your keyboard and tap once on plus or minus. Now we can smoothly zoom in and zoom out. Also, we can change view type. By clicking here, you can get, for example, lens zoom. So now when I focus, for example, on the view and click Windows key and a plus, as you can see, I'm only zooming in on this lens, on this selected window. But also we can get second option with the docked. And now when I'm gonna move for something and zoom in or zoom out, it will be actually visible at the top of the screen. So that's the different methods how you can actually use magnifier and zoom in your Windows 11 PC. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.